Hey everyone, welcome back to Softwarehope. Did you know that Microsoft shows ads on your own computer? Yes, even after you paid for Windows. Pretty annoying, right? Today, I will show you how to turn off all those ads, step by step. It is very easy. So, let us get started. First, we will remove ads from File Explorer. File Explorer is the place where you open your files and folders. Microsoft shows ads even here. Open File Explorer. Click the folder icon on your taskbar or type the word File in the search bar and open it from there. Once it is open, click the menu icon at the top. Then click Options. A small window will open. Click on the View tab. Now scroll down slowly until you see the option that says Show Sync Provider Notifications. Uncheck that box, then click OK to save. Ads in File Explorer are now turned off. Now let us move to step 2. Sometimes Microsoft sends pop-up messages on your screen to promote their own apps. Let's turn those off too. Open Settings. Right-click the Start button and choose Settings, or press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. Click on System on the left side, then click on Notifications on the right side. You will see a list of apps. Click the Sort By button and choose Name. This makes the list easier to read. Now scroll through the list and find the apps you do not want messages from. Turn them off one by one. For example, you can turn off Copilot, turn off Feedback Hub, and turn off Game Bar. Now for step 3. Stay on the same notifications page and scroll all the way to the bottom. Click on Additional Settings. You will see 2 checkboxes here. These allow Microsoft to send you messages about their products. Remove the checkmark from both of them. The first one says, Suggest ways to get the most out of Windows and finish setting up this device. Uncheck it. The second one says, Get tips and suggestions when using Windows. Uncheck that one too. Good. No more unwanted tips from Microsoft. Now, step 4. This one is a little sneaky. Windows watches what apps you open and how you use your computer, then it shows you ads based on that information. Click on Personalization on the left side, then scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Device Usage. You will see a list of options here. Turn off every single one of them. Even if the names look harmless, all of them are used to show you ads, so just turn them all off. And now the most important step, step 5. The strongest ad settings in Windows are hiding inside Privacy and Security. Let's go find them. Click on Privacy and Security on the left side. Then under the section called Windows Permissions, click on General. You will see 5 options here. Turn off all of them. The first one says, Let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. Turn it off. This is the main one. The second one says, Let websites show me locally relevant content by accessing my language list. Turn it off. The third one says, Let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. Turn it off. The fourth one says, Show me suggested content in the Settings app. Turn it off. The fifth one says, Show me notifications in the Settings app. Turn that one off too. Don't worry, your computer will work perfectly fine after this. You will just stop seeing all those unwanted ads. And that's it. You just turned off ads in 5 different places on your Windows computer. Great work. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. Tell us in the comments, does it bother you that Microsoft shows ads on a computer you already paid for? We would love to know what you think. If you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss our new videos. See you in the next one.